Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and I'm here with you guys today with a new vlog. So today's video is going to be a maintenance vlog. You guys are going to see me get myself together in today's vlog. So I'm going to get my hair done, my nails waxing, and a few other things that just make me feel good. So if you guys are interested in seeing my maintenance routine and seeing a maintenance vlog, then go ahead and keep on watching. Before we get started, do not forget, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that red subscribe button down below, turn on your bell notifications, give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So as you guys can see right now, your girl looks real crusty, like crusty. I'm gonna get myself together. So today is Sunday, June 13th. It's actually the day of summer jam, so I'm going to summer jam today, my first ever summer jam. So you guys will see all of that in Sunday's vlog, but mine needs to be done because it's gonna rain. Y'all know it rains every year on summer jam. It wasn't supposed to rain, and guess what? Yesterday the weather said it shall rain. So I'm gonna put my hair up in the slick bun. I'm gonna get it done by my sister so that I don't have to worry about my hair when I'm outside and it's pouring. So let's go ahead and get that done right now. Sorry. Ooh, the eyes. What's
maybe under your chin?
Bitch, I do not have a lipo. A chin lipo. It's my double chin. Maybe I need the lipo. I look like Mary had a little lamb. Period. Just a little bun. My tripod was so loose and I didn't even realize the screw was coming out. But trying to put y'all up, hold on. So it's about 45 minutes since I got my hair done. I know y'all look crooked, but I'm just trying to just show y'all real quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my wraps off. I'm gonna start in the back, and the reason she put this is so my hair could be laid, laid, okay? So that one is off. That chin lipo one, it was taking me. I'm just like, yo, my mother was like, what do you have on your chin? And then these. Oh, I don't know where to end. Oh, right here. Ooh. 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 Y'all see that baby hair? I could never. Let me not say never, but I don't know how to do baby hairs to save my life. Hold on. Might be real careful. Is there one under it? No, it's one. Okay. Let's pray. Let's pray. Ooh, baby. Looks so good. I just need to clean this up here. Okay. Hair is laid. Period. Okay. Y'all know we love Kenny with the bun. Yeah, I'll probably put another strip to lay this down. This little piece right here. But yeah, this is my bun. Okay. Hair is done, and I'm gonna keep this bun in for like a week. So prepare to be sick of me in my bun. So I like putting my hair in a bun because it just pulls my hair back, gives my, you know, my everything a break. But I need to learn how to do this on my own. I attempted one time and baby, my arms got too tired, so we'll see if I could do this on my own next month. But yeah, this is staying in for a week, and I can't wait to beat my face and for y'all to see everything coming together. But yeah, here is them. Tomorrow I'm getting a facial, and I'm also doing my wax. Today I don't know if I'll have time to do my brows today, but my brows need to be groomed, so I'm gonna do that as well. But yeah, comment, let me know what you guys think about my bun. Do we love Kenny with the bun? Is Kenny with the bun a vibe? Comment and let me know.
We can always use a session if you're not free up of your time.
So I'm on my way to my facial appointment. I had to rush out the house this morning, so that's why this is the first time you guys are seeing me for the day. But I'll see you guys once I get to Brooklyn, because today, baby, I'm facial. Hey guys, I made it to Brooklyn. I'm walking to Cynthia's place now to get my facials. They're staring for me. But yeah, the commute wasn't bad today, and this is my first time ever saying that, and I've been coming to Brooklyn for almost 3 years. I think we make 3 years this month to get my facials from Cynthia. So I don't know what that train driver was doing, but I need him each and every time because he did a great job. Yeah, I'm here so early. The last time I was late and I had to take a cab, but I told myself I'm gonna be here early. My appointment's at 12 and it's currently 11:39. So yeah. Hey, so I'm getting my facial done today. I wanted to show you guys my skin before. So we're gonna do extractions today, laser, and I don't know what else. And every other month I do a chemical peel, and then the other months I do this revitalizing treatment with extraction. So I don't really have many breakouts right now. Like I have this situation here. We don't want to talk about it. And then I have a breakout kind of up here. But yeah, it's my skin. I'm so happy with the progress of my skin. Like if you've been following my channel, you know. If you don't know, I'll link it up above and down below. But yeah, so that's what we're doing today. I didn't get to do my steam routine last night because I didn't get home from summer jam until 2 a.m. well, like 1, and then I went to bed at 2. But anyway, I didn't do my steaming routine. Someone asked me in my comments, I put the comment here on the screen, I forgot your name, girl, but she asked me, do I still steam my face? I only steam my face right before these types of appointments where I do extractions, because you steam your face to get the stuff out. So if I am not getting the stuff out, which I don't do on my own, which I shouldn't do either, then I don't steam my face like on the regular, if that makes sense. Because I know I uploaded a steaming routine about a year ago, and I told you guys I steam my face however often. Now I just steam my face once every other month whenever I'm prepping for like these appointments. But yeah, so I'm just waiting for Cynthia to pull up on me. My skin in the sun.
Enough to take you serious when you're freeing up your life. When you're freeing up your life. Can you just start making your mind? You're wasting my time. You never found another way you did wrong. Can you just start making your mind? You're wasting my time. You never felt love when you did wrong.
Yeah, couple lonely hearts trying to pass time. Know you got your heart broken last time. Cries out, got nothing to lose, sit your car down. You should take a chance on you. You might get what you like, but we're being for the night. I had you saying, please don't waste my time. Oh, no time for it up. Go easy, free your mind. Don't stress, I'll be alright. And we ain't gotta worry about the time.
Just start making your mind.
Making your mind.
Wasting my time.
Wasting my time.
You never found another way you
Show the tissue and camera. This is why we gotta do these ones.
Right.
Wasting my time.
never really you. Don't lie. I could really use it.
Everybody need love, even niggas like me. You ain't shit.
Tell me I could trust you. And I could really use it. So much I wanna talk about, but I ain't got no one to talk to.
I don't.
I'm always trying to work it out. Somehow it always falls through. And I know that I get rough, but I just wanna feel love. Sometimes you told me I could trust you. Don't lie.
I ain't winning.
I could really use it. I could use your life. Tell me I could trust you. Everybody know my name when I come through. Don't nobody screaming like you. I was having visions with you, doing things, switching lanes in the beamer with you, and swimming in deep water.
Hello. Ooh, now my bun cut off. Let me put this up a little. Just a little. Hey guys, so it's the next day. No, I got my facial on Monday. Today is a Wednesday. But I'm about to wax myself because, baby, yeah, it's time for a wax. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys everything that I use to wax myself in case you guys have never seen before. But the first thing and something new I wanted to introduce you guys to, or not even introduce y'all, because if y'all on TikTok, y'all know about this already, but introduce the use of it in my life. This Asper cream, lidocaine. The girls were using this on their feet to help with the pain from heels, but baby, I put this on the front area, just the front area of, you know, the wax station, and it just numbs it so you don't feel as much pain. And I feel like the numbness kind of carries over to the lips a little bit, but you do not want to spray your lips. Do not spray your lips. I'm not telling you to spray your lips. You should not be putting anything in that area, okay? So, or anything of this sort in that area. The only thing that goes in that area for me is water, okay? But yes, so I put this on just the top area to help, you know, numb things down. I let it sit for 30 minutes before I start my waxing process, so that was already set and done. As far as the wax that I use, this is the wax that I use. I get it from Amazon, and this is a Big Body Bends bag because I was going through the smaller bag too quickly, so I decided to upgrade and get this bag. So this is the wax that I'm using. This wax is amazing if you have coarse hair, because baby, I have type 4 hair all over. Let's just get that clear. So this wax has been doing the job for me for the past almost a year now. It's been almost a year. My wax pot is also coming from Amazon. It's from the brand Bella Verde. Here's the brand so you guys can see. I'll link it down below. This comes with wax beads too, but I hate the wax beads that it comes with. Honestly, if you have coarse hair, it ain't for you. So just get the pot from the listing that I link down below, and then you can get the beads that I just showed you guys. So wax pot, lidocaine, and then you're gonna need your wax sticks. I get these from Amazon as well. As I mentioned, I'll have everything linked down below. So if y'all want to start waxing yourself, save yourself some money. Stop giving European wax some of your money, okay? Do it at home. Cute little coin saver. And then I'm gonna use baby powder. All I have is Johnson & Johnson. Don't judge me. I use a Gold Bomb, but I don't know where that is, honestly. But we're gonna go ahead and get waxing. I got my period on the other day, so I was supposed to wax the other day, and it didn't happen. So it's gonna happen today. It's gonna happen today. So I'm gonna go ahead and first apply the powder to the area. This helps with sweating too. So I sweat a lot when I wax myself. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's the nervousness, the nerves, or what. But it's powder. And then I'm gonna go ahead and pause the heat on the wax so that it's not too hot. You want it to be like a nice thick consistency. You don't want it to be too watery. You don't want it to be too runny. I'll show you guys the consistency right now. And I always start at the top I wish I could show y'all exactly what I'm doing, but baby, my whole channel will be going, okay? YouTube will be like, give us that channel, please, because you are violating our terms and conditions. I don't have that much hair. The last time I got a wax was when I was in Houston and I went to European Wax Center. I ended up using my last wax pass, so I am officially done with European Wax Center. They will no longer be getting my coins, but I just needed a quick wax because I didn't have time to wax myself before I left, and I knew I had that left on my package. So I'm like, perfect, let me go ahead and use that, get rid of it. Did that, and we Gucci now, okay? So now I just need to get in the habit of waxing myself more often so I don't have as much hair. Like, my hair right now is perfect. I have like little, you know, hairs here and there, but baby, when that thing is a bush, when she is fully grown, no bueno, okay? No bueno. 1, 2, 3. Jesus. Ooh, let me, okay, okay. Y'all see? Snatch up all these hairs. Well, that girl clean. Okay, next. Fuck. 1, 2, 3. Jesus. Ooh, I had that much hair. It honestly doesn't look like that much. And then you look at this, and you got a whole grass playing field. Baby, like, what? I honestly did not think I had this much hair. Focus. I did not think I had this much hair. This is the side of my lip. Jesus. So when I got a lot of hair, then that thing, dang it. I don't know which way to rip from. This hurts more than I thought it would. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Fuck. He stayed. Jesus. Oh. It'd be the little pieces for me. Yeah, I could do this. If I could do this, yeah, I could do this. If I could do this, anyone could do it. I promise you. Okay, now let's attack these lips, baby. I don't even know if I'm ready for that. Powder sheet up. Whew. And then I usually wax myself before my period, because I know after my period, my, you know, that thing, she a little sensitive, you know, like, she's still sensitive. So what I'm learning is that if I work in smaller sections on my lips, it hurts less. Takes more time, but hurts less. So I finished waxing myself. I got everything off, okay? She is clean, period. But I will link all of the items that I used to wax myself down below, and I'll also link a video up above and down below of more detail on how I wax myself. So if y'all want to try it out, y'all could do that. Comment and let me know, do you guys wax yourself, or do you guys still give your money to wax providers? Because baby, that's a cute little coin we could save. I'm gonna remind y'all again. But this is basically the end of my maintenance vlog, you guys. So I got my hair done. My baby hair just needs to be laid, because when I did my facial, she got all up in there. I did my facial. My face is still healing because I did the revitalizing treatment, so I am expected to peel like a little bit. My nails, I did them last week and they still look good, so I'll give you guys an update on that in probably my next maintenance vlog of how I make my gel manicures last longer, because I think that we found a solution, guys. I think we found a solution, and you guys saw me wax myself as well. But yeah, this is the end of the maintenance vlog. I just wanted to make myself look and feel good because last week was very tough. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your bell notifications, give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and let me know in future maintenance vlogs what would you guys like to see. I was thinking of including details on like how I whiten my teeth and stuff like that. So if y'all want to see more things, just comment and let me know. And yeah, until my next video, I'll see you guys later. Mwah.